Hi, I'm Celine Morin and welcome to video 2 of 5, and today is Tuesday, so we're going to take a look at tuning, chewing and choosing. How's that for tongue twisters? Firstly, around tuning. If you have a musical instrument, you'll know this to be true. Let's say a guitar, that if we wanted to play harmoniously, we need to tune it before we play it. If you liken your body to a musical instrument like a guitar, it's a good idea if you tune your body, ideally before you're going to use it. So at the start of the day, if you wanted to play and feel harmonious. What I mean by this is at the start of the day, can you tune into your well-being? Could you set aside 5 or 10 minutes, perhaps longer, to do something for your mental well-being, your emotional well-being, or your physical well-being? Could you do some mindfulness? Could you do some exercise? Could you set up your snacks for the day? Perhaps make sure that you've got water to stay hydrated. Could you watch something that brings you joy and makes you laugh rather than just going for the news? You get the idea. How can you tune into your well-being at the start of the day and help you feel more harmonious? Then around chewing, could you be, yesterday we spoke about mindfulness and how a mindful minute can perhaps help you make better choices and avoid snackcidents or overeating. So chewing can also help you overeat. Chewing properly and slowing down when we eat. A lot of us eat really, really quickly and often while we're working or watching the telly, and that makes it easier to overeat. So eating when you're not distracted and chewing well can help you to not overeat. And then choosing. We know that there's a lot that we can't choose right now. There's a lot of that is uncertain and out of our control. But there's also a lot that we can choose, that we can control. So be compassionate with yourself. Focus on the things that you can choose. One thing that I'm choosing at the moment is to stay curious. The way that I stay curious is I try and ask more conscious, open questions. Questions that can help me find more imaginative solutions to problems that would otherwise cause me a lot of worry. So for instance, rather than saying, why is remote working so difficult? I will say to myself, how can I make remote working more fun? So which one of these tips are you going to try and do? Because don't do everything. You want to set yourself up for success, not for failure. So could you tune into your well-being first thing in the morning? Could you consider chewing better when you eat your foods and snacks? And could you choose to be more curious and ask more conscious questions? I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment. Feel free to reach out. Take care. And watch out for video 3 on gratitude.